Now let us see how to insert a record into table using stored procedure. So as soon as I click on the save button, I need to call a stored procedure which is inserting a record into my employee table. So for that, what to do? First, let's go and create a stored procedure. How to create a stored procedure? Create procedure name PRC underscore insert emp data, like that I'm writing. This time we need to write some parameters. As begin end is common, but here we need to write some parameters. What are the parameters? At empid, whatever names are there, I'm giving same name, or you can give tempid, temporary empid, integer. At ename, pair of 30 I'm taking. At salary, it is of money type. Okay, three parameters I'm taking. At the time of executing query, insert into employee values at, okay, empid at ename at salary. So this is the query I want to execute as soon as we call the procedure.
Only save, update, delete.
Save means insert only, no? Save means insert only. So this is executed, created. This is the procedure to save a record. Saving or inserting, both the same, right? So how to call this again? Let's go back to this, double click on the button, and here what I'm doing, I'm creating a method, private void insert emp data or employee data, something like this. So that is the method I'm calling, and here I'm writing the actual code. So what is the code I wanted to write? Try catch is common, connection open common, command is common, but this time what is the procedure name? Just to select it, copy. That's the best way to do, guys. Do not try to type it because you may do spelling mistakes. And insert employee data, we are calling PRC underscore insert emp data. With what connection? CN connection. Command type dot stored procedure is common, but here we need to call the execute non-query. Okay, so cmd dot execute non-query, because non-query will execute that query, and then you can take a variable like integer result. So that result will give you an integer variable, and if that result equal to 1, what I'm saying, you can add any label here in between. So let's add a label to show that record is inserted. Of course the record will be shown here, still we need a label to show for the sake of confirmation. Go to the properties, here lbl message. Okay, so I want to give a line in between this, insert a row below, so you get a gap between this, and here I want to show this message. So what I'm saying, result equal to 1, lbl message.text is equal to record saved successfully. Yeah, before that we need to specify parameters. Very good. What is the parameters? cmd dot parameters dot add with value, from which value? Double quotes at empid comma txt. Sorry, I forgot to change the text box names, right? So the names I'm using directly at textbox1.text, textbox2.text, like that, or else you can change the IDs like txt empid, txt employee name or emp name. The third one is txt emp salary. emp salary. So that's perfect. And now we'll go and write the remaining code. Comma txt empid.text is for the first parameter. And like that we have three parameters, right? Second one is ename. So whatever parameter name we gave in stored procedure, same name we need to give, guys. Okay, if you give their TEMP ID, you need to give the same thing. So ename or empname dot text, and finally salary txt salary dot text. Here what should I write? Salary. Whatever parameter names we gave here, same names, empid at ename at salary, same thing we need to use here. Okay, finally execute non-query. It will execute and return 1 if the record is inserted, and I'm showing this message. And this code is written in which method? Insert employee data, and call it here insert employee data. That's it. Is the way we are writing code. Run it and see how it is working. So already we have 4 records. Now I'm inserting one more record called fifth record 1005, and I said Krish name and salary I'm giving as something like 32,000. Click on save button. So record saved successfully. You can see here, guys, record saved successfully, and just refresh or reload. You can see here, oh, again reload means it will try to insert. Anyhow we have a primary key, it won't allow you, but when you load it, you can see here Krish 30,000. Okay, so in this way you can record, insert a record with the help of stored procedure. Same way we need to write for update and all. But what I want to do is, as soon as I insert, record insertion is done. The same time I want to load this data, I don't want to refresh or reload. How to do that? So what I'm doing is, after insert data, immediately I'm calling this show data method also. Show employee data method also I want to call, so that both will be done simultaneously. As soon as we insert data, after saving record, I'm calling this one also, so that you will see the record. Hope you got it. Let's run it again. You can see 5 records now. I'm inserting sixth record 1006. The name I said something like Surya. I'm giving the salary. I'm giving as 24,000. Just click on save button. Record saved successfully. You can see here 1006 Surya 24. So we are calling two methods. That is the advantage of using methods in real-time application development. And now we'll see update and delete in the next videos.